Want to use ChatGPT for daily tasks? In 60 seconds, I'll show simple prompts beginners can use right away. ChatGPT is an AI that helps write, summarize, and plan, like a smart assistant in your browser. Use it to save time on emails, to-do lists, meal plans, and quick research. Type a clear instruction, add details, and ask for the output format. Try this prompt: write a short professional email requesting a meeting tomorrow at 10 a.m. Now let's walk through practical prompts you can use today. Tip 1. Emails. Prompt: draft a 50-word follow-up email after a job interview in a polite tone. Tip 2. To-do lists. Prompt: create a prioritized 5-item to-do list for a busy weekday with time estimates. Tip 3. Meal planning. Prompt: plan 3 easy weeknight dinners with recipes and a combined grocery list. Tip 4. Meeting agendas. Prompt: outline a 30-minute meeting agenda to discuss project milestones with action items. Want edits? Ask to shorten, simplify, or convert to bullet points to change tone instantly. Practice these prompts in ChatGPT now. Start small, tweak your wording, and watch it speed up your day.